So we're in Harare, we're at ZESA Holdings headquarters, and I'm here with Gift. Hello, Gift.
I'm good, how are you?
Very good. It's been an intensive and very interesting week. So share about yourself, Gift, your role and what you do at ZESA Holdings.
It's been an interesting week indeed. My name is Engineer Gift Ndhlovu. I work with ZESA Holdings in the capacity of General Manager for International Business and Special Assignment. It's good to be here.
Thank you. And it started with you visiting Sweden.
Yeah.
Long time ago.
Indeed.
I think it was in September last year.
Yes.
You came with Dr. Gata, chairman, and you also had, who else was with you?
Dr. Manyaya, our General Manager for Stakeholder Relations.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you visited Absolicon, and then your engineering team has visited Absolicon, and also the Energy and Environment Minister from the Parliament. And now Absolicon has been here this week. What's the key takeaways and the feelings from your side? What's happened this week?
Yeah, it has been an interesting journey, just as you recited it. Yes, we started in September last year when we went to Sweden. And indeed, we went to Johannesburg, where we met Absolicon. And by touring, as soon as we toured the plant, immediately we got interested in the technology. And we are happy that we continued with the conversations, and we are here today, where Absolicon has visited us here in Zimbabwe. And it's been an interesting week this week, where we then got to meet the market. We also then got to get Absolicon to tour our plant, to appreciate who we are as ZESA Holdings. And we then showed them the market where we intend to deploy this technology. We also then went to the capital market side, where we also visited some banks to see how we can get this project going. Yeah, it's been an exciting week, and we are happy to be where we are today. It's a relationship that is ensuing, and we hope that we will take it forward. Yeah.
What is the next steps that you would like to see to happen now in this relationship?
Yeah, we want to get to a point where we get to deploy this technology in Zimbabwe. We start to produce the solar collectors in Zimbabwe. We start to install the solar collectors, and we get to, one, reduce carbon emissions as a country. We want to create jobs for the economy. And we would like to also improve on our efficiency as a country on energy consumption, so that ultimately the energy intensity is reduced by using these more efficient technologies. Yeah. So in terms of next steps, we want to try and formalize our relationships, get to a point where we then sign these partnership agreements. We also want to regularize in terms of our corporate governance requirements here in the country. So we will be approaching ZEDA, we will be approaching procurement regulator of Zimbabwe, and we will also be approaching financials, so that we are well structured in terms of being eligible to access the funding facilities.
And finally, about ZESA Holdings. If you short describe ZESA Holdings.
Yes, so ZESA Holdings is a government agent which is mandated to provide energy for the country in terms of generation of energy, transmission and distribution of electricity, and the retail of it. So ZESA Holdings has then delegated this mandate through its subsidiary companies, ZPC, which is responsible for generation of energy, of electricity, and then we have ZETDC, Zimbabwe Electricity Transmission and Distribution Company, which is responsible for the transmission, distribution, and the retail of electricity. Now, and then more importantly, this is ZESA Enterprises, which is responsible for the heavy engineering of electricity supply, industry consumables. And so we are therefore looking at this is ZESA Enterprises, which is also responsible for manufacture of these consumables, being the candidate, and has been assigned to enter into a partnership agreement with Absolicon for the purpose of producing solar collectors and establishing a production line for the solar collectors and deploying these into the market.
Fantastic, thank you again. So I give a final word from you, Gift, to anyone listening of inspiration in these terms of impacting in a positive way and reduce carbon, what would that be?
Yeah, I see this being the beginning of a very long relationship, interesting relationship with Stockholm, with Sweden and Scandinavian countries. Our relationship started from long back, and we want to be more visible as ZESA Holdings. We see our future, the future of ZESA Holdings, especially in the international business, being Sweden or Stockholm being part of our strategy going forward. So this project is going to be one of our future projects that we see. We would like to engage a bit more at a larger scale with Stockholm, and we see a lot of possibilities in terms of ZESA Holdings strategy, international business and engagement, and this re-engagement agenda. So, yeah.
A very good start, but the start only the beginning, as you said.
Indeed, yes.
So with that, thank you so much. This is from Harare at ZESA Holdings head office, and I'm here with Gift. Thank you so much. I wish you a happy weekend and Friday.
Thank you, Lars, and I also wish you a safe journey back to Stockholm.
Thank you
All
so
the best.
much.
Thank you.